Now let us install plugins for GTM in the Debug browser. Plugins are needed for the site debugger to work correctly so that you can see all the loaded pages and elements. Plugins are installed in Google Chrome. Do as I show in the video. Plugins are also needed to determine if GTM is installed correctly on the site. If the indicator in the plugin is green, then everything is fine. In my case, the plugin shows that my GTM is installed on the site twice, but this is not true, because this is a feature of the site on Tilda. Do not be alarmed if you also have it, this does not affect performance. The main indicator is green. The second tab in the browser, the one in the middle, is responsible for debugging, for testing the site, and on this tab you can see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are the stages of loading your site. After refreshing the page, you can see how this numbering is divided into separate modules with numbering. These are the loaded pages of your site. This mode is called Preview. When you start it, a window appears in the lower right corner that says that GTM is connected, but if you have an error written in red and yellow in this window, then you did something wrong. Double-check the installation GTM on site. Also, this window shows different shapes, smileys, symbols, circle, square, rhombus, etc. It is just for beauty. They don't mean anything. Watch carefully how I install plugins in the browser. Very important, all windows in my browser open next to each other. Do the same in your browser.